Hey Preppy fam, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be making this bracelet, and here's what you're going to need. You're going to need some pliers, scissors, and some string. And here are the colors of beads I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using yellow, orange, purple, and pink. You're also going to need a long chain, 2 jump rings, 2 clasps, and 1 hook. First, you're going to get a long piece of string, and then you're going to cut it to the exact length that you want. And after cutting it, you're going to want to put your clasp in and tie it. After tying it 3 times, you're going to want to cut it. And then you're going to get your clasp and you're going to push it up all the way to the tied section, and then you're just going to close it. And then you can start putting your beads in, my favorite part. Now you're going to take your clasp and you're going to put it through the string and you're going to tie it 3 times. After tying 3 times, you're going to cut your excess piece off. And then close the end of the clasp. We're literally almost done. All we have to do is connect both jump rings on either side of the clasp. So for this, you're going to need your pliers. So you're going to take your pliers and you're going to open the jump rings and then attach them to the clasps. After attaching one of your jump rings, you're going to put the chain on the jump ring and then close it with your pliers. So now you're going to take your second jump ring and then you're going to open it and then attach it to the other end that has nothing on it. So before closing this jump ring, you're going to attach the hook on it instead of a chain. After attaching the hook, then you're going to close it with your pliers. And now you officially completed this tutorial. Thank you guys for watching this video. Subscribe, like, and share this video to anybody. And don't forget to leave a comment below if you guys want to see more tutorials like this.